Hello everyone, I welcome you back to my channel. All of us are aware of the n number of benefits of using turmeric, and basically these benefits come from a compound which is called as curcumin. Curcumin is a fat soluble compound which owe its properties to turmeric, and because of which we get n number of benefits. Basically we can use turmeric in its raw form like this. It belongs to the ginger family and looks like ginger. We can remove the skin and use it. We can grate it and add it to our curries, vegetables or dal. We can use this kind of powdered form of turmeric. Both of them have curcumin compound. But is our body able to absorb the curcumin? The answer is no. If we eat only raw turmeric or powdered turmeric as it is, the body will not be able to absorb curcumin. So how will our body absorb curcumin so that we get the benefits of eating turmeric? I'll be answering this question in the video. So make sure that you watch the video till end, and I'll be also sharing a recipe of making golden milk. Actually the correct method of making golden milk or turmeric latte, or in Hindi which we say haldi wala doodh. There are basically two ways by which our body will be able to absorb curcumin better. The number one way is that it's a fat soluble compound. So we should take it along with a good fat. By good fat I mean ghee, mustard oil, sesame oil, cold pressed groundnut oil, any cold pressed oil depending upon your liking and your region. And the second method, which increases the absorption exponentially, is combining it with black pepper. Black pepper basically has a compound called piperine, and it increases the absorption of curcumin by almost 2000%. That's a bit high, and it's a very powerful combination by which curcumin can be easily absorbed into our body. So whenever you are adding turmeric into your food, make sure that you add black pepper into your food also. Now we shall start with the recipe of golden milk. For this, we'll take full fat milk and let it boil. By the time it will get boiled, we'll grate our kachi haldi or raw turmeric. You can also use powder haldi in this. There is no issue with that. As I have already shown in the video, raw turmeric exactly looks like ginger. So I'll be removing the upper skin of this. It's not good to add skin to your milk. Once it is peeled off, I'll be grating it. You can also chop it into little chunks and add to your milk. Raw turmeric is also called as Indian saffron, as it has a beautiful color like saffron. Now finally our raw turmeric is grated. Now by this time our milk must have also boiled, so I'll be adding raw turmeric to our milk. If you are using powdered one, then at this point only you will add the powdered one and give it a good mix. Let it simmer for about 5 minutes. I'll be reducing it almost by 25%. You can reduce it according to your choice, the more thick or thin you want. As it will get cooked, the color of the milk will also change. It will turn into a bright yellow color. When the color of the milk has changed or you have reduced to your desirable consistency, then you will switch off the flame. Now we will be removing the saucepan from the stove and let it get to a warm kind of consistency. Then we will be adding few drops of ghee. You can add any good fat, like I have already explained, depends upon your liking. Then we'll be adding a pinch of black pepper, and for the sugar part of it, I don't use refined sugar, so I'll be using jaggery instead of it. You can use sugar, honey, jaggery or dates puree. Now we'll be again giving it a good mix so that the jaggery is dissolved into it. After that, you may sieve it or have it as it is. I like to have it as it is, so I'll be not sieving it, as I like big pieces of turmeric coming into my mouth. I like the taste very much. Now it depends totally on you. Now I'll be just pouring the milk into my glass and enjoy it. I hope you will also enjoy it. So I hope now whenever you will be using turmeric, you will be adding black pepper and ghee along with it, so that our body can absorb curcumin and we get the maximum benefits of eating turmeric. I thank all of you for watching my video. Please hit the like button if you like the video, and do share the video with your family and friends so that they also use the turmeric in the right way. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay healthy and blessed. Bye bye. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking on the red button. It is absolutely free, and do hit the bell icon so that you get all the video notifications first.